luxurious, spacious living area, beautiful, sleek and stylish kitchen. Very spacious, very luxurious looking. As you can see, hello everyone and welcome to Housey. This is Karuna Acharya and today we are here at Amberstone Ventura by Amberstone Builders, situated in off Sarjapura Road. Well, before I start off with anything, first I want to tell you that we are here in the actual location where the property is situated. As you can see, towards my left hand side, we have this beautiful marketing office for this beautiful property. Towards my right hand side is our land parcel for our luxurious project. Also, you can see the neighborhood, which looks very, very beautiful, very calm, soothing, and really good ambience. So we are here in the location of our Amberstone Ventura by Amberstone properties. Yes, like you all already know, we are here for the sample flat tour. Well, we shall dive into every aspect to see what makes these house your dream home and see every minute detail that makes this home even more special. Well, before that, I want to give you some information about Housey. So Housey is the first real estate platform that directly connects home buyers with developers. With that, you get bottommost price guaranteed. Also, I'm sure most of you must have experienced the frustration of making inquiries online only to be hit back with calls from various brokers. But at Housey, since the listings are done directly by the builders, there is no broker who comes into the picture. Well, that was about Housey. Now let's go and check out our super luxurious flat. Come on. Before we go and check out our super luxurious flat, I want to give you some information about this project. Let's discuss the project overview. Well, this particular property, which is Amberstone Vistara by Amberstone Properties, situated in off Sarjapura Road, consists of 8.3 acres of land parcel, having 4 towers, story being basement, ground plus 29 floors, variance being 3, 3.5, 4 and 4.5 BHK. Now let's talk about the amenities. Well, this ultra luxurious property consists of some really amazing amenities consisting of clubhouse, swimming pool, multi-purpose court, central park, kids play areas, senior citizen gardens and so on. Now let's talk about the connectivity. Well, this particular property has its connectivity with just 5 to 10 minutes away from Sarjapur Road, of course, and in the radius of 30 to 45 minutes, we have Kodati Wipro and Outer Ring Road. Hello everyone, so now we have reached our sample flat for the tour. Let's go and check out our super luxurious flat. Come on in. So as in how we enter, we have this beautiful foyer area which is completely customizable according to your taste and choices. Also, we have this digital lock which is for your safety and security. So let's move in, and like you can see, luxurious, spacious living area which looks very stylish and sleek. Also, right opposite to your living area, we have this TV unit where you can place your TV, or you can completely customize according to your taste. So as in how we move forward, we have a dining area over here. As you can see, there is a 6-seater dining table which is easily accommodated over here, but I think with the space you can even place 10-seater to 12-seater dining table over here. You have a lot of space. Also, this side there's a lot of storage which you can customize according to your taste. Either you can decorate it or use as a workstation or a study area, completely customizable. Now, as you can see here, also we have a lot of space which leads you to your beautiful, sleek and stylish kitchen. So this is our sleek, stylish kitchen. As you can see, it looks really, really posh and luxurious. We have a lot of space. We have a L-shaped slab and we have a lot of storage spaces here. Also, we have this area for the utility where you can store your washing machine, dishwashers according to your taste and choices. Also, as you can see, we have this area set up here for your oven or for your refrigerator. So you have a pretty spacious and a lot of space for your storage in your sweet, luxurious kitchen. Okay, so before we go and check out our luxurious bedrooms, I want to show you my favorite area, which is the balcony. Let's go in. So you can see here we have an attached balcony which is connected to your living cum dining area. I like the way the balcony is made, very spacious and overseeing the beautiful scenery to just stay back and relax. Also, as you can see, there's this beautiful decor done over here which is completely customizable. You can decorate your balcony completely according to your taste and choices, but this is very spacious, beautiful scenery which you can see from here, and also you get a lot of light and fresh air to your living area. Now let's go and check out our super luxurious rooms. But before that, I want to show you the common washroom which is right here. So we have one common washroom which has anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary fittings and a window for good light and ventilation. Okay, so now let's go and check out our room number 1. Like you can see, sweet, cozy bedroom. Although it's a bit small, but it gives that cozy vibe, that good vibes which a bedroom should be giving you, because it's a place where you come, stay back and relax and just rest. Also, you can see here towards this side of the room there is a table attached which can be used as your study or workstation, completely customizable. Also, we have this big windows over here which gives you good light and ventilation. And towards the opposite end, we have this big wardrobe for your storage space. Also, you have a space right next to your bed, which you can use it as your table for lamp, or maybe like there's a mirror here, use as your dressing area. It's completely your choice. So this is our bedroom number 1, very sweet, very cozy and very beautiful. Now let's go and check out our room number 2. So this is our room number 2. If you have kids, you can use this as kids room. Currently, this room is decorated like kids room, but if not, it's completely customizable. You can customize it howsoever you want based on your family members and your family. So this is one very cute bedroom. Also, I love the way it's decorated, the designing. You can surely take some, references from here if you like the design. So we have a lot of space. Also, you have space right next to your bed for any storage. Here you have this cute study area which looks very nice, and to come and complete your study or anything, completely customizable. So this is here. Right next to it, we have this beautiful big sized wardrobe for your storage, and we also have an attached balcony with this room, which makes it like it's like cherry on the cake. So this looks very nice. We have a pretty big balcony overseeing beautiful scenery, lush greenery, good light, good air. Also, your room will be filled with good light and positivity. And this is a very nice, I always love balconies because they give you a good feel, good vibes. So this is the balcony, and also we have an attached washroom. So we have an attached washroom which has anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary fittings, and also we have a window for, of course, good light and ventilation. Yes, so this was our room number 2. I love the way it's designed. I think you guys can take some references if at all you have kids at your house, and this is how you can decorate your kids' room. Okay, now let's go and check out one interesting part of this house, that is the study room. Yes, just in case you don't want to, accommodate study in your bedroom, there is a separate room which is just for your study. So this makes, this will make your room more spacious because you don't have to fit in your systems or your laptops in the room. You can just use this space for your work, or even if you have kids for studying, so completely customizable. So this is our cute mini study area. I love the way it's made, the tables, the storage spaces. Also, we have this kind of drawers over here for making your life more easier. Again, all this thing is just as an example, a reference. You can completely customize according to your like-side choices. Also, we have a lot of space here to walk around. It's not like it's a small room, just sit and you go. No, you have a lot of space to walk around and get some relaxation. This is your study. And we have a big window for, of course, good light and ventilation, because this room is for studying or for work purpose. So this is a must. So this was our study area. Now let's go and check out the most beautiful and luxurious part of this house, that is the master bedroom. Okay, so I am right in front of the master bedroom. But before I go and show the luxurious master bedroom, I want to give you some information about Housey. So at Housey, we give you sample flat tours, actual location tours, 360-degree virtual tours, pros and cons of a particular project, pricing details including EMI and down payment details. After all this, if you like the project and you want to book your free site visit, all you have to do is go and click the link given in the description box. So that was about Housey. Do not waste your time and go and book your free site now. Now let's go and check out my favorite part, the most luxurious bedroom of the house, the master bedroom. Come on in. Okay, so master bedroom being very big, very spacious, very luxurious looking. As you can see, we don't have tiles, we have this wooden flooring which makes it premium looking. Also, we have so much space to walk around, having a big window right adjacent to your bed, which gives you good light, ventilation, positive vibes. So this is a very good thing which has been made here. Also, you have a TV unit right opposite to your bed, which, where you can just sit back and relax, watch something. That also is there, and you have a lot of storage spaces which you can use it for your storage, or complete, or if you want to just decorate it, when that is completely okay, completely your choice. Also, as you can see, we have this big wardrobe over here, very, very luxurious looking, and it looks very stylish for your storage purpose, of course. And we have a lot of space here for storage as well. Also, this area, as you can see, we have this big mirror which you can use it like your dressing area. This looks very cute and pretty. Also, right here next to me, we have attached washroom which has anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary fittings. Also, we have shower glass partition which gives spa-like feels and makes it look really premium, and window for good light and ventilation. So yes guys, this was the sample flat tour of 3.5 BHK luxurious flat by Amber Store Ventara by Amber Store Builders, situated in off Sarjapura Road. Well, if you want to book your free site visit, all you have to do is go and register yourself in the housey.com. Also, if you want e-brochure for this particular project, you will get that in the description given below. All you have to do is go and click the link in the description box. Also, if you have any positive or negative feedback regarding the project, location, or the videos that we make for you, you can let us know by dropping it down in the comment section. Last but certainly not the least, do not forget to subscribe Housey for more such informative and amazing home tours. I'll see you next time with yet another amazing home tour. Till then, take care and goodbye.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.